Impulse, what the flip? Why impulse? No, that's clicked. This one. This is Herald Square Banana Republic Factory, whatever they call it. One of these is gonna be Hydro Attraction. Yep, this is Dover, alright. Probably just wide one here. Since it's just over. Alright, let's see if we have a good motor on this. There's no camera here. Yeah, basement doesn't work. It used to be Dover level. This is pretty run down. This probably used to be nice at one point. The other one might be decommissioned. Who knows? What the freak is that lantern? I've only seen that like. What? Oh, okay. That's lovely. Dover Impulse. Looks like ThyssenKrupp might have got a hold of this one. There it goes.